Yesterday we discussed about the linked inheritance, isn't it? We talked about the sex-linked inheritance, and who is going to tell me what is sex-linked inheritance? What do we mean by the word sex-linked inheritance? What is the meaning of this word, class? No one wish to answer this question? Yes, Jia.
Transmission of characters whose genes are located in sex chromosomes.
Very good. So sex-linked inheritance is related to the transmission of character. And why it is sex-linked? Because the genes of these characters are located in the sex chromosome. So various sex-linked inheritance are observed in case of human. They can be further classified into two types. One is Y-linked, other is X-linked. So Y-linked inheritance or the genes linked to Y chromosomes are also known as holandric chromosomes. Why? Because they are associated to androchromosome, that means the male chromosome. Now, what are these characters? Very commonly observed. One of them is called pattern baldness. If you remember a strange event, all of you can spot. We see so many bald people who are male, but rarely see any bald lady, unless and until there is any external factor. For example, if anyone is fighting with cancer and passing through chemotherapy, obviously there will be factors by which there will be extensive hair fall. Okay, so pattern baldness is something which is related to Y-linked character. Gene of pattern baldness is located in Y chromosome. That's why females never get it. That's why that pattern of baldness is observed only in case of male. What is that pattern baldness? Generally, you can see that if you think this is a human being, hair is present as a rim on the head, but this part ऐसे रहता है, but this part, the upper part is absent. This type of thing is called pattern baldness. Understood everyone, beta? Clear,
Yes.
is it? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Second type of Y-linked character is known as hypertrichosis. What is this? It is many a time observed that a person is having hair in the ear pinna. This part of ear is called ear pinna, and this ear pinna is full of hair. This is a character which is majorly observed in male, and this is also a Y-linked character. Okay. Now, let us come to the X-linked character. In X-linked characters, mainly today I am going to talk about two disorders. One is color blindness. And the other one is hemophilia. See, these are the two disorders which are very, very interesting disorders, and especially the color blindness. Let me first talk about it. If you closely look into color blind people and talk to them, they can never see the red and green color. It's very strange, and many a times they don't realize that they cannot see the red and green color. आप जब छोटे थे, when you were small, either your teachers or your parents taught you, that okay, this color is green color, this color is red color, isn't it? Yes or no? But consider karo, if anyone is pointing at a red color and telling you, consider a situation, if I am drawing a square of blue color and telling you, see, there is this color is called red. The first person who is teaching that specific child that this is the red color, if says that this is a color which is called red, तो बच्चा क्या सीखेगा बेटा? What child will learn? Class, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बच्चे को तो यही पता चलेगा ना कि ये रेड कलर ही है. Similar problem occur with color blind people. They see the color red and green as gray color. उनको रेड एंड ग्रीन कलर दिखता ही नहीं है. दोनों के शेड्स में उनको जो दिखता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रे कलर. Such a horrible thing, and like it's not deadly many a time, but it's like it is like very bad effect. How it can have bad effect? One of my brother, he wanted to be an electrical engineer and he got disqualified because he has red and green color blindness. While you are working on electric circuit, these are the main two color of wires, no? So they don't allow such people to go for that. Okay, so one can have several types of color blindness. This actually can be of various type. It is not curable disease. Whatever you do, it's not going to be cured any time. And various mobile apps or something are nowadays available, which is like helpful for those person to see, but the actual problem associated with their eyes are related to the cone cell. Okay, so obviously as it is genetic disorder, you cannot do anything about it. Okay. Their bone cells are specialized and it is due to the presence of hemophilia gene, and they cannot see the red and green color. But let me tell you, in very rare cases, if your eye is damaged with chemicals or someone by other some means, and unpredictably, if bone cells are losing their sensitivity towards red and green color, in that case also a person can be color blind. Okay. Now, a person can be color blind for both red and green color, and it can be the person can be color blind for uh, uh, either green or so it is also known as deuteranopia. Okay. And if a person is color blind to red color, it is called protonopia. Am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let us understand how genes of color blindness are getting transmitted. They are X-linked gene. So, I will give you several examples, but before that, let us understand the concept. In case of females, if one X chromosome is carrying the X gene, we call them carriers. If both of the X chromosome is having the, sorry, I need to write color blind gene. Actually, I was thinking of hemophilia. কবির এখান থেকে যা, আমি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, বিরক্ত করিস না, পড়ে লিখবো আমি কি করছি, ভুলে যাচ্ছি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, মাথায় ঢোকে না। Am I audible? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if any kind of person is having X, CX, we call them carrier. If they have XC, XC, we call them color blind. And in case of male, there is no option of being carrier because they have only one X chromosome. So obviously, if that is having the C, that is color blind gene, so they will be color blind. Okay. So now I want you people to compute that if a carrier female is crossed with normal male, what will be the F1 genotype? Understood the question? Please try and do it by yourself.
Ma'am, one will be carrier, another will be colorblind.
Anyone completed? Dish completed. Yes, Dish. Speak beta. Can you turn on your video and show, Dish?
Ma'am, actually I have done in rough, so that's why.
Okay. So you speak about what will be the genotype of carrier female?
Ma'am, for genotype of carrier female would be XCX
Very good. Then
and
cross with
cross with XY.
XY. Types of gametes produced here in case of female.
XCX.
So two types of gametes are produced here. In this case, in male.
Two types, X and Y.
Great. So XC, let us make the checkerboard now. So XCX, XX, XCY, and XY.
XY.
So this one will be what? XCX will be what? This will be carrier, isn't it? XX will be normal daughter. XCY will be, in case of XCY, it will be hemophilic, sorry, color blind. And XY will be normal. So you can see the ratio or the percentage here is 50-50. 50% of the children is normal and 50% are affected. Out of them, one is carrier and other is colorblind. So son will be colorblind. So this type of questions can be asked related to hemophilia, color blindness. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we will move ahead with the next disorder, that is called hemophilia. See, it is also a genetic disorder whose gene is located in Y chromosome. Hemophilia is a disorder in case of which the blood clotting of a person gets affected because I guess you are aware of the blood clotting steps. There are various factors which help in the clotting of the blood. In case of hemophilia, various such factors like tissue plasminogen factor and others cannot be synthesized by the body. So in absence of that factor, the person who is suffering from hemophilia cannot actually go for the proper procedure of the blood clotting. So what happens? What will be the result? In our case, अगर हमें कहीं पे cut हो गया हो, so what we do? We put some kind of bandages or clean cloth over there. After some time, we can see that there is blood clotting and the flow of blood stops. If a person is suffering by hemophilia, in his or her case, that is not the natural phenomenon. Even if they can have a small cut by knife in their hand, that cut will immediately and after some time also it will have a flow of blood. It will not be clotted by natural method. हमारे केस में अगर बहुत बड़ा घाव है तो हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाके उसको सिलाई करनी पड़ती है and it has to be sewed and cleaned and has to be taken care by doctors. In their case, even if small cut is there, it has to be taken utmost care, otherwise there will be too much blood loss and patient can die. Okay, so it's also known as royal disease because many of the members of royal family, even if Queen Elizabeth, have this disease. Now, let us see, in case of hemophilia also, the transmission of gene is similar. Here it is XHX means it will be carrier, same. XX means it will be normal. XH means hemophilic. XY means normal, and XHY is again hemophilic. So can we discuss some more mathematical problems related to it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me give you some mathematical problems this time with words so that it will be easy for you to understand what type of questions are generally asked. Okay, let me write down the question. Hemophilic man marries lady and none of their children are normal. What can be the genotype of lady? Find out. Try and do it. So I was describing that in case of XH, both the child will be hemophilic. In this case, if mother is heterozygous, XHX, In that case, XH, daughter will be hemophilic, but XHY, the son will be obviously hemophilic. But in this case, one daughter will be carrier and there will be one normal son. So, but the question mentions that children, none of their children are normal. So obviously it cannot be this. So the only option available is with this. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can expect this type of questions in examination. We will definitely discuss some more questions of this kind in our next class. Any doubts, anyone, regarding color blindness and hemophilia?
No, ma'am.
So